Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the girls Langa Choli collections. Beautiful red color embroidery Langa Choli semi stitched with dupatta set. Wedding and party wear Langa Choli embellished pattern red color full sleeve semi stitched. Onion pink color girls Langa Choli semi stitched embroidery pattern. Next maroon color embellished girls Langa Choli with dupatta full sleeve. Maroon color floral print Langa Choli semi stitched. Green color embellished Langa Choli pattern floral. Dark blue color embroidery girls Langa Choli with dupatta semi stitched. Dark blue color embroidery Langa Choli semi stitched full sleeve. Light blue color embellished Langa Choli with dupatta semi stitched. Dark pink color Langa Choli with dupatta embroidery pattern. Dark green color embellished Langa Choli floral pattern. Green color embroidery Langa Choli semi stitched. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.